What's up, guys? It's me, your Jimmy Geek. If you're thinking to build a gaming PC, the ultra gaming PC, throwing the GTX 1080 Ti or throwing the new Vega 56 GPU with the Ryzen 1800X or the new AMD Threadripper, the 9050X CPU or the i9, then you need a full tower case to showcase your power. Here are the top 5 full tower case of December 2017. Before we enter 2018, we really need to have a top 5 full tower case from Jimmy Geek. I rank from number 5 to number 1. Number 5 mean is good, number 1 mean my favorite of December. The number 5 is the Roswell. Again, simple, elegant, old school looking case. You can't go wrong with it. No need introduction. The number 4, wow, I mean, again, this is a totally one of the best. I wish I have the blue color. Personally, I like the red one. This remind me of a movie called Tron. Futuristic case, full power. You can full tower case to showcase your full power. Amazing case. The number 3 is a new case which recently launched, the Corsair Graphite Series 760T. Again, awesome case, awesome case. If this case looks small, go and look in personal. I mean, this case is a quite big case. I like the mesh, the front for the fan and the side window to showcase all of your liquid cooling, to showcase all of your graphic card. Maybe you're using the SLI Crossfire. The number 2 is the Cooler Master Cosmic 2. If you ask me, Jimmy, tell us which one case you're going to buy personally for yourself. I'm going to buy this one if I'm going to travel a lot. Definitely it's going to be very heavy, around 30 kg, but the best, totally, I mean, what the price, aluminum steel body. I know 350 bucks, around it's like 320 right now. The official price is 350, but again, it's a very good case. The number 1, again, it's not my favorite, but a lot of people were recommending you, I mean, who was in recommending me in the comment, Jimmy, this is our favorite, this is our favorite, so I'm going to put number 1, this Stormer Striker. I mean, for this, everyone's watching Star Wars, isn't it? I this scale so against of, I mean, you pay, and this is, I mean, this is like 2010 11 style. Again, you amazing case, white case.